Hello guys, so right now, just before my system goes down, I want to show you how to upload your CAS to the online portal. Remember that I told you if you had a previous username and password on the WAEC international.org/CAS portal, you need to register a new data, and the portal itself doesn't allow you to use only two names, so you need an initial. If it's telling you other name need at least one space, it means if your name is John Doe, you need to be John Doe Jen or John Doe somebody before you can pass, because you insert the surname, you insert, so it's basically requires three names. So the other name has to, you need a space there. Then you enter your email and other things. That's how you register on the portal. But for the, this is an update in regard to CAS upload. This is to notify you that you cannot be able to upload CAS from this browser, from this application. Sorry, you cannot be able to upload your CAS from this application, and probably it's because the update itself doesn't allow you to use the same credential that is working on the CAS server to be able to upload. So if you use the same detail you use to log into the WAEC CAS portal, you will not be able to upload because it says the data is incorrect. So this is on a quick note. So how do you do if you want to upload your CAS? If you want to upload your CAS, forget about using the application. What you are going to do is to come to administration, use this one, export CAS details. If you use export CAS details, you select the year, select the session, check the box and export. So the moment you export from here, now when the export is done, all you need to do is to visit your browser, this. So as you can see, if you visit the browser, you would log in your username and your password. So this is a prompt from the application. Yes, I want to continue. Yes, I want to overwrite. And the moment it finishes, it will open the folder where that file is. If you think that location is too far, you just have to copy out the file and keep it maybe on your desktop or anywhere, so that you can be able to use it inside here. Now if you come inside this web portal, you see waecas.org/CAS, then you log in as a user, then you log in with the school pin. After doing that, you would be graced with the school dashboard like this. With the school dashboard, you will come down to CAS to upload CAS data. Then the first one you are going to upload is the year one. You choose the file, the file is inside documents, WAEC CAS data, the school center number, and then you find the file. But if you put it on the desktop, you can still find it there. So that is how you can proceed with uploading your CAS. Make sure to check it to process, then confirm. By the time you have this prompt, you know that your CAS has been uploaded successfully, and this is actually the best way of uploading your CAS, because anytime you receive this prompt on the browser, it means that data has been processed successfully. There are times when on the app you can receive a prompt like this, but the data has not been uploaded, so it's best to use the browser to upload your CAS. So probably right now the only way you were supposed to upload your CAS is using the browser, and if you have any issue about it, you can contact me using the comment section or call the WhatsApp numbers available. Thank you.